Hi, I'm Matt Ellefson with Survive It, and welcome to Fearless Friday. Today, we have a special guest. We have the CEO and founder of Sabre Health, Susan Bratton. Okay, Susan, what exactly is Sabre Health?
So Sabre is a technology-enabled provider of personalized and practical nutrition solutions for cancer patients, their caregivers, and healthcare enterprises. And what we do is we provide personalized nutrition recommendations, which include home-delivered meals that are customized to the patient's unique needs and side effects, as well as develop menu plans and do nutritional counseling with oncology-credentialed registered dietitians.
Susan, can you tell our users and viewers today, why did you create Sabre Health? And why is this so important to you?
Sure. So I created Savor Health after watching a very close friend of mine struggle with a brain tumor, a glioblastoma. And he was told that nutrition didn't matter and eat whatever he wanted. And this struck me as odd, but as a healthcare person, I knew that evidence-based literature was the foundation upon which we practice. And so I went to the evidence and found that nutrition really matters for cancer patients. So in addition to the fact that my friend Eric and his family were struggling to maintain his weight and to get to the grocery store to cook meals, I also found that there was really good scientific evidence that shows that when patients are well nourished, they do better on therapy and they feel better. And so with that, I said, I'm going to start a company that helps people like Eric and his family get the proper nutrition they need during cancer treatment in a way that the services are delivered direct to the home. In addition to strengthening the immune system and your ability to fight the cancer, there are so many nutrition-related side effects like mouth sores and difficulty swallowing. And so it's really important that the nutrients that you get and the food that you get are also customized around those specific side effects and symptoms so that you can eat, so you can mitigate and manage those side effects. And that's really what we do, is we find out what your nutritional side effects are, and then we customize according to that. So you're getting food that not only is nutritious and delicious, but it also helps you manage those side effects and not irritate them.
Can you tell us a little bit about your team, about where you get your nutritional advice and
Sure.
how you put your meals together and that type of thing?
Sure. So my entire clinical team is comprised of both oncology credentialed registered dietitians and oncology credentialed registered nurses. So they are experienced and trained in oncology and oncology nutrition. In terms of our meal team, we work with a group that focuses on organic, non-GMO sorts of meals. The quality is very high. The other piece of the team is we have a fantastic chief technology officer who built the website and has also built our proprietary algorithm, which is what enables us to customize our nutrition recommendations based on the patient's specific needs. So what their diagnosis is, but also what their comorbid underlying conditions are. Do they have diabetes or heart disease? What do you like to eat, and what are your food allergies? And so my CTO has built this great algorithm that enables us to do this very, very personalized and prescriptive nutrition solution for patients.
Does the menu change based on, when certain produce is in season, or how do you deal with that? How do you ensure that you're always getting quality products?
Yes, so absolutely. There's definitely a menu rotation throughout the seasons, and even within a month, we do a lot of rotation so that people get great variety, but they also get the most seasonal produce possible, which not only helps with variety, but it helps you get the most nutrient-dense foods as well.
I mean, oftentimes there's family members that may live a great distance from their loved ones, and they may want to help them in some way, but they live, 500 miles or more away from where they are. And what is a good way for them to provide meals to their loved ones?
Well, we think the best way of doing that is by buying a gift certificate. And the reason for that versus just buying a meal or a week's worth of meals, is that the thing that's most important is the customization aspect, because each patient experiences their cancer and their cancer treatment differently. And really what separates Sabre apart from other meal delivery companies is that we do customize based on the patient's unique needs. And the best way to do that is to give the gift of nutrition through a gift certificate. And that's very easily done on our website.
Thank you so much for your time, Susan, today. It was very informative, and thank you for everything Sabre Health is doing to help those facing cancer. Sabre Health has offered Survive It users a $15 off promo code, which you can find on the screen now. Please take advantage of that. They have a great product, and I think you'll find it rather useful to be able to use those high nutritious meals at a moment's notice. Until next week, stay strong and live fearless.